What's up, y'all? Already started taking apart my old shifter. I already got the little cubby thing out of the way, and then I was like, why don't I make a video on this? There's my new copper one. I am going to be putting the billet aluminum shift knob on there, but so yeah, it's pretty easy. If you got the little thing here, just take that out. I only had one screw there, so I took the one screw out. Unscrewed the top, was able to take the cubby off. Yeah, this came right off, right like that. And then it's gonna be two 13mm bolts. Already got one out. It's actually pretty easy to come out. Little 13mm. Yeah, doing with one hand is certainly a lot of fun. Get loose enough that you just do your fingers. Alright, and this should, yep, come right out. Boom. That easy. Alright, I'm going to clean this stuff up. I'm going to put new grease in there. I got a can of the red and tacky grease. Mostly because it has anti-seize in there also. So this should never really seize up for if I ever gotta, do anything. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so packed it with a little bit new grease. Also put a little bit of grease on like some of the movable stuff on here. Just, so it's more greased up, lasts a little longer. Make sure you put your plate down. Oh yeah, that's a blood blister I got from the junkyard. Still hasn't healed yet. But make sure you put your new plate down. And yeah, you simply should just pop right in. Yep, just like that. And then obviously put the bolts in. But nice. This one does set up a little taller. I like that. Just shifting through the gears with no clutch because I like grinding the gears. I'm just playing. I don't fuck that shit up. But now to just not cross thread them. Realistically, with one hand, this is not easy. There we go. I say that, and then now it starts actually working good, especially with that red grease everywhere. I think at least it's grease. That's not what it could be. And once you got the two bolts in, tighten it down. Yeah. Then I'll put this cover on, and then put the little cubby on, and then we'll take it for a test drive. So yeah. I'll come back whenever I got these tightened down. I'm putting the cover on, and then we're going to clean up the little cubby thing too. So yeah. Well, guys, got the shifter on. Kind of cleaned it up. I had to pop the cap off of there to spin it around. Gouged it up a little bit. Nothing that a little like black Sharpie or a paintbrush with some black paint won't fix, and it's aluminum, so it's not gonna rust. So, but man, what y'all think? It's a little taller. Well, my knee really ain't good for representation because it's also hit my steering wheel, but it's supposed to be a 13-inch one. So. Ooh. I don't know about that. Yeah, I don't know. Probably just got some wearing in to do, but now it's time for a test drive. So hope you all liked the video of me installing that. I got some other stuff I got to do this weekend. So yeah, probably be uploading this Wednesday evening, probably around lunchtime. It's Tuesday now, so I got the truck over there. You know, if y'all want to see more videos on that, I got like 1 or 2 other things I'm gonna do to it. But yeah, if you liked the video, like, subscribe. Oh yeah, I'm going to be at the should be at the Volkswagen show in Arbondale, Florida. So if y'all see me there, say what's up. I don't have stickers yet, so, but next time around, hopefully I do. So yeah, peace.